Sunday. We are on our way to the Rose Bowl Flea Market right now, which is, I think, one of the largest flea markets in the world, and it's right here in Los Angeles. We go there a lot, actually, but this could go really good or really bad. So it's about to pour down rain, and it's supposed to rain all day, but it's only supposed to be cloudy this morning, this early. So we are rushing over there right now to try and get in by 7 a.m. so that we have a couple of hours of no rain or maybe just a light sprinkle. It could be really good because no one wants to come and we just get all of the good stuff to ourselves. Hope that none of the vendors aren't not gonna show up either, which would be really bad. But I really wanted to go this month because I want to find some really good stuff for some room makeovers that I'm doing, and it only happens once a month, so I like kind of have to go this month. And I thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me so that you guys can kind of see what the Rose Bowl is like if you've never been, just to see what kind of fun stuff we could find to flip in hopefully a later video or put into a room. So I will see you guys at the Rose Bowl. We just got in. People are still like setting up, like all of the vendors are still setting up, but people are here, vendors are here, so hopefully we find some good stuff. Did this look really similar? Maybe it was a fruit bowl. In my office, I want to try and do like a collage of like maybe like 3 baskets on the wall, like flat baskets. So that's one thing I'm looking for. I really like that basket, but he wants $50 for it. I was like, that's a lot. I don't want a $50 basket. I want like a nice $10 basket, $12 basket. All these old matches. So great for a dining room. 15? Could you take 10 for it? 12? I'll take it for 12. It's really pretty. Do you have any more? Or is this the only one? Yeah, it's very clean. Yeah, I really like it. Thank you. Our first purchase. I found a basket for the wall. We need to find more. Really nice dressers. This one's really beautiful. You guys, usually all of this is filled with vendors, like back to back to back to back to back to back to back. There must be like hundreds of vendors that just didn't come today. Love this dresser. Hi. All these vintage plates. So cool. They're so unique. Add so much character to a room too. These are like little bitty baby plugs. Knobs. I'm always excited to come to this rug vendor because he always has beautiful rugs. Holy ladder. That's a big ladder. How cute would this little cane horse be in like a nursery in a baby's room? So cute. Hi, how much do you want for this?
75.
It's heavy, huh? Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's a Shade Valaris. You can tell it's not from Target.
You can tell it's not from Target, that's for sure. It's really nice. What are these little pieces in here?
The vintage mid-century Japanese like fruit
fruit stands or something?
Yeah, the crops.
Oh, so cute! They're so cute. How much is this guy?
I do 25 on it.
I love how like delicate the cane is. I may be making a collection of things. Such a cute little reindeer. Oh, so pretty. Made in 1968. Really cool fixtures. It's starting to get very cold. It's not raining yet. I found some really good stuff so far. We gotta go find Romeo because he has the basket and I can't pick up the mirror without the basket because it's way too heavy. It's like really heavy. Got 2 more baskets. These will be really pretty on a wall together. It's like I kind of love this. I love that this stuff is coming back. Aren't they pretty?
They are pretty.
But we don't have like room at our dining room table.
We won't even sit at the dining room.
Uh-oh, I heard that.
Okay, so it's officially started raining already.
Yeah, we did.
So we got some stuff. So at home, I'm gonna give you guys a haul of all of the stuff that I found. I'm in love. I actually think that this might be the best trip I've had at the Rose Bowl. Besides looking for furniture, I did need some furniture, but that's really difficult on a rainy day, and there's not a lot of vendors out. So I will see you guys at home, and I'll give you a haul. So we totally started getting poured on. We made it back to the car just in time to put everything inside so it didn't get totally destroyed, but I think we found some good stuff. So one of the things that I found that I'm really excited about was this mirror. She said this was a Shoddy Valeris, and if that's the truth, then this could go for a $2,000 to $3,000 mirror, and it's gorgeous. I love it for the price that I got it at just by itself, but if it is a Shoddy Valeris, that's really amazing. You can totally tell that it's better quality than some kind of duplicate that you might find at Urban Outfitters or wherever. So I got 3 pieces from her for $100. So I got this piece, and then also this basket. And she said it was, and maybe you guys know more about this kind of like weaving technique of this basket, but she said that this is originally a like Japanese style weaving of the cane. I really liked it because it was a small, thin cane, and it just looked so, it was so pretty. I'm thinking it would be really pretty with like magazines like stuck down in it, standing straight up. I was definitely on a basket cane kick, and as I have been for a while. And then also part of the $100 was this wooden Danish style reindeer. He was so cute. I don't know, I might leave him out all year round because he's that cute. He's just like so simple and pretty. Right when I got to the Rose Bowl, the first thing that I found, and I was getting a little worried because I thought it was gonna rain, I found this basket. It's in great condition. I wanted to hang a collection of them on the wall. So I was kind of on a mission to find 3 of them that looked really nice together. So this is the one I found first. He wanted 15, I offered 10, he took it for 12. I found another lady and she had a whole booth of baskets and really pretty stuff actually. Found these 2. So these will be really pretty together, kind of hung on a wall. These 2 I got for both for $10. She kind of gave me this one for 10 and then threw this one in, which was really nice of her. And then I was passing by more of a clothing boutique. There was like a small table full of these ceramic vases. Oh, and I fell in love with this one. It's so pretty. This color is like green, like color blocking, and they're all different glazes and different tones. And I thought it was so pretty with all of these like warm cane tones, just to have like a simple piece of pampas grass out of it. Oh, I thought it was gonna be so pretty. Oh my God, stop, it's so pretty. What? Wow, that's gonna be really pretty in my office. I got this guy for $35. On the bottom of this vase, it's signed by the person that made it, and his name was RJ, which, how ironic, Romeo's name is RJ, that's what I call him. And it was made in 1968. So I just thought it was so special and pretty. And then right as we were leaving, we found these mugs. And oh, they're so pretty. They're from Denmark. They're from the company Dansk. These are the types of mugs that are so pretty on display. And even for the holidays, for hot cocoa, it's just a vibe. These were so pretty. Well, I never go into a flea market like trip or even a thrift store trip thinking I'm gonna find the perfect pieces or find a whole bunch of great stuff. I kind of just go into it with an open mind, and I'm like, hey, sometimes I get lucky and I find a lot of good stuff, and then sometimes I don't get so lucky and I don't find some good stuff. But this time was definitely good for like wall art and like individual smaller accessories. There were a couple of other pieces that I really loved, but they were just really pricey. The picture that I posted that you guys saw earlier this morning had these really beautiful bohemian style stools that were covered, and they had gold on the bottom, and they were pretty pricey. I don't remember exactly how much, but I remember someone next to me asking, and they were very pricey. They were beautiful, and I don't mind paying up for things that are like so special like that. I just want to make sure that I have a place for them, and I'm not doing any room right now that those exactly go in, but they were so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of like flea market shopping with me and haul. I think I found some great stuff. I had a lot of fun. I'm so glad we did not get caught in the rain. I'm so glad we had enough time to actually find these pieces. If you guys aren't already subscribed, I post new videos every Sunday and more for the holidays. I redo rooms, I do lots of DIY projects. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit that subscribe button below. If you liked my finds coming along with me to the flea market today, definitely hit the like button below. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye guys! Do you like what Mama found? Is that a yes?